style with me using level 3 products. This is my client John. This is what John looks like before he gets his haircut. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the haircut using a DFS cutting system. And that right there is his own customized horseshoe that fits strictly for his dominant growth pattern. This formula allows me to customize every haircut to each and every individual based on their hair growth pattern, shape of the head, or their facial features. The first level 3 products we're going to use, it's the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. The goal here is to strip the hair from its natural oils and to make the hair more porous. That way when we go ahead and style the hair, anything we put into it, the hair is just gonna grab and absorb it, making it easier to style the hair. Next, we'll start with our level 3 hair serum. This is gonna do 3 things. It's gonna protect the hair from the heat, it's gonna take away all the frizziness, and most importantly, because the hair's porosity is at its lowest right now, it's gonna absorb everything, allowing us to create the shape that we're looking for when styling. I love drying the hair with the diffuser because it allows the hair to dry in its natural state. And you can create volume by simply grabbing the hair and holding it up. So now once the hair is completely dry and we got a foundation of the hairstyle that we're looking for, we're gonna go ahead and use our level 3 shave gel, just a tad bit, about a pea size. And we're gonna get our razor shave right on the C-cups using my level 3 razor blades. But when it comes to razor holders, I'm between a Turkish blade and a push-up blade. The one I'll be using here is the Turkish blade, which is ideally more for detail, which is what I use for most of my designs. Next, we're gonna jump into our level 3 texture powder. I don't need much as we already applied the hair serum. The goal here is just to target the roots, create the shape, create the volume. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our matte paste purple with a bit more moisture. We're probably gonna put about that much. And this is where you only wanna focus from mid shaft to ends and separate all the hair. Make sure the product is fully saturated to get the look. Once you see the hair taking shape, grab our level 3 freeze spray to lock in the final look. We're gonna go ahead and redefine the haircut, make sure it fits the style. My goal for every haircut that I do is to get the side profile, making sure not only does it look good in person, but it also looks good on camera. As you can see here, we have a square shape. I know that coarse straight hair can be one of the hardest haircuts to style, which is why I love grabbing John and testing my skills. Something that most people won't come into the barbershop and ask for, and that is how we style my client John's haircut using all level 3 products.